Hi everyone, my name is Ngọc Anh. Today I will talk about a story, Memoir of a Parrot. Day 1. Wilbur Pet Shop is closed today. Good. No rude people staring into my cage. I just sit and chat with TikTok. He's the only parrots here and apparently the only talkers. The dog just yap all day. The fish don't even try to say anything. I think the cat might be able to talk, but they never do. Day 2. Wilbur Pet Shop is open today. But the place is packed. Lots of strange people and they all talkers. They seem to think my name is Polly and that I want a cracker. No and no. Day 3. What is with these people? They keep asking. Polly want a cracker? That is terrible grammar, by the way. TikTok says, I should just try to enjoy the attention. Please, I'd rather grab a pine cone. Day 4. I'm exhausted. Today, a guy spent an hour asking me my name. I kept telling him, Brock, I said, Brock, Brock, Brock. He looked very disappointed. I guess he wanted it to be something else, like Polly. Day 5. He's back. His name is Todd, and he won't leave me alone. TikTok says one day I may have to go home with Todd. Yes, apparently I'm for sale. That's a heck of a thing to find out. Go home with Todd? Please, I'd rather eat a pile of stingberries. Day 6. TikTok was right. Todd handed Wilbur some money and is taking me home. This is terrible. TikTok says I need to keep an open mind and that it could be very nice. Maybe Todd lives in a beautiful rainforest with lots of bananas and butterflies. So that could be cool. Day 7. Nope. Todd lives in a tiny house near a freeway. No bananas, no butterflies. And guess what he does first? He gives me a cracker. Serious? Even worse. Todd is learning to play the ukulele. You sound horrible. Do I have a stay here? Please, I'd rather kiss a ratless neck. Day 8. Todd gave me another cracker today. And just as I was about to throw it back at him, I realized there were turtles right next to my cage. When Todd wasn't looking, I dropped the cracker into turtles and then snatched it out of midair when it popped back up. These things are actually pretty good when they are warm. Day 9. Todd came in today with another cracker. He said, say thank you. So I did. Crop, I said. No, he said very slowly. Thank you. So that's it. He wants me to speak his language. Fast chance. Crop, I said. He sighed and sat down to play his ukulele. Day 10. Here we go again. Todd has his language and I have mine. Only it's worse now because he's decided my name is Echo. Echo? Brock, I say. Echo, Brock, Echo, Brock. This goes on for hours. Dude, give it up. Day 11. Today Todd took me back to the pet shop. While he complained about me to Wilbur, I complained about him to TikTok. It's awful, I said. He won't even learn my name. But you've got a nice cat, asked TikTok. Yes, very nice, I said. And he keeps you warm and dry? Yeah, I said, warm and dry. And he feeds you? Yes, I said. Toast crackers, some figs. Pretty good, TikTok said. He sounds nice. Maybe he's just not that bright. He can still be your friend. Please, I'd rather wear a sweater made of yarn. Day 12. So get this. After 2 hours of taught English lessons, he said, Echo, maybe you're just not that bright? What? Not that bright? I speak 17 languages. I can name all the moons of Jupiter. I can count to a zillion backward twice. Todd said, It's okay, Echo. You can still be my friend. Keep your fingers away from my big paw. That's all I can say. Day 13. Todd gave up pretty quickly today. It's pretty frustrating. He's learning his ukulele, but he doesn't really want to learn his parrot. He's lost. I'm not saying anything. My beak is sealed. Day 14. I'm sitting here, eating a fig and listening to Todd play. He's actually getting pretty good. I know. Music and fig. How can I complain? But Todd either needs to learn to talk like me, or he can take me right back to Wilbur. I could explain this to him, but please, I'd rather set my feather on fire. Day 15. Good heavens, I nearly set my feather on fire. Today changed everything. Todd went to bed last night and I decided to toast a cracker. I waited for it to pop up and wait, but it never did. Suddenly, a lot of smoke started pouring out of the toast. There was no keeping quiet any longer. Todd! I hollered. He woke up, smelled the smoke, and thus ran out of the house. Sure, save yourself, I thought. The toaster just kept belching smoke into my case. Suddenly, Todd came running back into the kitchen. I thought he was coming back for his ukulele, but I was wrong. He came back for me. Todd reached right into the smoke and unplugged the toaster. He grabbed my case, took me outside, and started fanning fresh air at my face. He saved me. I couldn't believe it, but he saved me. He pulled me out of the cave and said, Echo, are you okay? Are you okay? What else could I do? Thank you, I said. He looked at me and leaned closer. What? Echo said. Thank you, I said. Tears welled up in his eyes, and a huge smile took over his sweet, woofy face. You're welcome. You're so very welcome, he cried. Then Todd said, You're smarter than I thought. I said, You're a lot smarter than I thought. He wiped the soot off my face. That's what nice. He set me on his shoulder, and we watched the moon come up while we waited for the smoke to clear. Things are different for Todd and me. He's still playing that ukulele, but now he plays and I sing in his language, and that's okay. He can still be my friend, my best friend. Todd and me, we are staying together for keeps. Please, there's nothing I'd rather do. Thank you.